Hi, I have Heidi Ahokas with me, People and Culture Coordinator at Visual Components. Let's talk to her a little bit about the life at Visual Components. So, Heidi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you, Omer. How are you?
I'm good. How do you feel being here at Automatica 2022?
I'm very excited to be here. Have been hearing so many stories and good stuff about the event in general, so it's very cool to see it in person now.
All right, and what is the coolest thing about working at Visual Components?
It's difficult to pick just one, but I must say that it's the people and the community that we have. That every time we come together, we just have a lot of fun, good conversations, and a lot of laughter. And you can't really put a price on that. So I would definitely say that that is the coolest thing about visual components.
All right, and what is the next meme we are doing in the office?
Ooh, that's a bad one. I need to think about that, but I'm sure that we can come up with something good.
All right, it's fun working at the Visual Components, and we do a lot of funny, casual stuff. So yeah, look out for our LinkedIn posts and channels. Thank you, Heidi.
Thank you, Mer.